In the last video, I told you guys that I was expecting the buys on the VT75 index at this point, and I was able to get an entry. Basically, I told you guys that I wouldn't be looking for any sell opportunity, but instead I'll be looking to buy in this index from this zone, and that's exactly what I did. Right, so this is to show you guys how powerful top-down analysis can be, how trusting analysis can pave way for trading success. So I'll be having a market breakdown on this index again, and I'll be showing you guys my entry points, how I was able to get my entries from this level. I already did in the last video a market breakdown. You guys can still go check out the video on this index analysis. Right, I shared this price signal to my VIP members, and we've taken partial profits. More buys is still expected on this index. Long-term buys is expected, would say. To this point, we got a zone spotted on the daily time frame. At least our first TP level should be at least this zone, but we still have a long-term target level, which is at this point. Right, because I said in that last video that this index formed a level at this point, which price is yet to retest. So the buys is expected. There's a possibility of getting the buys in the coming days and weeks on the VT75 index for price to come retest the zone. That I wouldn't be anticipating or looking out for any sells on this index. I'll be looking out for short-term buys. So let's just find a way to get our entries on the buy side of the market. So coming to we are running over $400 in profits on this index, and I've taken partial profits. I would still close out on some positions by the end of this video. I would be expecting possible reactions from this point, and it's clear that this market is turning bullish because we got this break of trend here, this break of trend at this point. Price broke out of this downtrend. Everything is making sense. The bullish structure is coming into place. Right, so you guys can still go check out the last video on this index. I did the market analysis on this index. So coming to the let's start from the weekly time frame, basically analyzing this index again. So coming to the weekly time frame, we can see the market direction, which is very much clear, which I spotted, identified. The market is on a downtrend. So after identifying this market direction, I spotted my levels and zones, and we have one of those levels at this point. Right, so everything is clear. The market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. I always emphasize on identifying the market's direction, the market's trend, because it would give a view on where the market is headed to and where you should place your focus on. Right, so this market is on a downtrend on the weekly time frame is very much clear, and our possible lows, our next lows is at this point basically, which I'm still expecting price to get to probably. But before price gets to this level, I'm anticipating a test of this zone, test of this level, because we got price to like it was consolidating at this point. We had a couple of consolidations at this zone. I can remember when this index was consolidating here, creating equal highs and equal lows, and I was like, price will definitely break out of this consolidation either to the upside or to the downside, and market actually did. We got the breakout of this consolidation here to the upside, and it looks like a fake breakout, which it was actually. And I can still say it's not a fake breakout because we got price buy for weeks, and the reason why price sold back to the downside is because of the general trend, which is markets being a downtrend, and this zone we got at this point. So there's a possibility of price coming to sell on the test of this zone, because looking at the past market reactions on this level, we can see how price has been reacting whenever it gets to this point. We've seen the market reactions here. Price sold from this level to resistance, support at this point, right? Support at this zone. Market reactions here. I think resistance would say at this point. So if price can react on this level a couple of times as a support and as a resistance, there's a possibility of getting price to react on the test of this level again. That's exactly what price did here. So price, this level was an important zone, a key level to watch out for. So when price gave this breakout of this consolidation, it came to test this zone and gave the sells to the downside. I'm very sure that many traders would be shorting this index from this point, from this zone. Many traders will be shorting this index here and you can see how massively this index has sold after the test of this level. So on price selling from this zone, I was actually expecting a reaction from this level, this previous level of support, at least for price to give the little rejections from this zone. You can see it here, at least for price to give the reactions from this zone, give the buy move to the upside on getting previous market reactions on this level. You can see how price has been reacting on this zone. A support here, I would say, a support at this point, support here as well. Price buying from this zone as a support here too, support here. And you can see that there's a possibility, and it makes a lot of sense, saying that okay, let me look at for buy opportunities if price can get to this point. But you can see what market did. Market would always do its thing. That's why losses is inevitable in trading. The losses will definitely come, but what matters most is how we manage those losing times and make something out of our winning times to cover up our losing times to stay profitable long term. So got this zone spotted, and we can see that everything is looking very much good on price approaching this level. When traders be looking to buy in this index, and we actually got like 2 days buys, but it should be more than this. We should get a good buy, at least back to our level of resistance. But you can see that price just gave this little buys and broke below it, gave the sells to the downside massively. So for price not to give a proper reactions on this zone, proper reaction on this level of support, is very much is clear, and it will make a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense to expect price to come retest this broken level of support, now turned resistance, like give it the buy move to the upside. So that was where I was expecting the buys on this index. That was where I was looking at for the buy opportunities on a good zone. So in the last video, I did a market analysis, a top-down analysis on this index, where I identified this structure on the daily time frame as a bullish structure. Regardless of getting this lower height formation in this zone, I saw this formation as a bullish structure, and I said that I wouldn't be looking for any sell opportunity on this zone, but instead I'll be looking to buy in this index from this identified level. And I did exactly that. I was watching out for market reactions on this point, on this zone, to buy this index. So on price getting to this level, on price getting to this zone, I took my buy trade on V75 index. I bought this index from this level on price getting to this zone. I had my SL below this structure. Right, let me bring that a little bit. I had my SL somewhere here, and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. The group is eating. So to join my VIP group, message my admin. His username is being dropped on my free Telegram channel. So messaging to join the signal group on a lifetime group access. Right, so I got my entry here, my stop loss above this, my entry point, and we are moving a massive profit. We've taken partial profit on this index. Also got this structure, this like descending channel, which I also spotted before my entry. So my entry point here, my SL was here, but now I've moved it above my entry, so I'm safe in this trade, and I'm still expecting possible reactions from this point. So I'll be exiting like 50% of my positions here. So this would be a trade I would be holding for some time, at least to this green line, right? First target level at least on this green line here, then next target level, which is our key point, our major buy, our major zone we're expecting price to get to, right? That broken level of support on resistance. So that's my view and market analysis on this index, and that's how I was able to get the entry. We're still moving a massive profit. So that is, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews like this, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more, and have a wonderful day.